guys, we made it to Mount High. It was raining a little earlier, surprisingly. A little bit of thunderstorms, so they shut down the lifts for a little while. But we're good, everything's good. Lifts are open. We're about to send our first lap. After this, we're gonna go find a spot out in Wrightwood. Should be like 13 minutes away. Check it out. Got the setups. Jeez. Good. These two. Let's get it. Get it. Locks up. Is it a D strap? Oh, it's a buckle strap?
Buckle, yeah.
Yeah, get it. All right, first trail down. Lil Pines. So we were here when it first opened, like a week or so after it opened. So everything was pretty fresh. So we'll see how it is now. So I had somebody that told us that it was a lot better now. A lot of things were cleaned up, and then they added a new breakaway section. It especially helps that the dirt feels nice. It rained a little while ago, so the dirt's nice and grippy. Yeah, this weather is perfect. It's like 90 degrees, 100 degrees almost down in down the mountain, down in LA Whittier area. Ooh, where are we going? So it feels nice to be up here. Nice. Let's continue on. Still going down Lil Pines. There's our green trail. Oh yeah, this is way better. This used to be like like super loose right here, like almost like sand. But it's nice and packed in. Probably with everybody riding, kind of packed it in a little bit. Love this stuff, man. We were talking earlier about how when we all first started riding, we're like, we're not going to spend this amount of money on a mountain bike. You know, over $1,000, $2,000, $3,000. And then look at us now. We're knee deep in bikes and $200 helmets, and just you know, not saying it's all about money, but you know what I'm getting at, right? Like, you say one thing, but once it becomes a hobby, that hobby becomes expensive. Hobbies in general are expensive. And golfing and weightlifting and whatever, crochet, everything becomes a hobby. Nice first lap. Nice. Nice and loose. Super loose. Little jump right here. There you go. Damn. Nice. Oh, damn. Oh, shit. Hella loose. Ah. Sorry. The forest.
Lightning. Right now. We'll hear it.
Oh. Damn. I don't know, guys. Make the best of it. Let's go. If you want to session something, just stop. Don't mind pulling over. All right. So all this is new. I forgot what this is called, but it's all new trail. It's supposed to be nice and flowy, nice and jumpy. It's nice. It adds a little variety. Oh, you gotta have some speed for this. Oh shit. Oh, that's a bucker. They bucked you. Oh fuck. Out of control. Man, it's hard to keep speed on this thing. Oh, it is nice. Oh, fuck. Damn. Nice. Good job, Mount High. It's fun. Got that leg pump already. Damn. Oh, slid. Dirt's nice and grippy, except for this part. Loose. Whew. It's muddy. Oh, I like this part. There's a cool part right here. Has like a nice little jump. Yeah. Oh, did it take it off? Oh no, it's upstairs. Oh fuck. Oh look. Crazy, I've never ridden my bike in the rain. It's always sunny in Southern California. Well, damn, we'll see how far we can get now with the rain. What a day. Right now we're just going back to the truck. Hopefully this rain will stop or slow down, but I don't know. We'll see. Good thing we're camping because this would have sucked. Come all the way out here and it rains. And the crazy thing is it didn't even show it was gonna rain. All right, it's still raining, but they opened up the lifts again, so let's give it a try. Oh shit, bro, I'm cold. So we stopped for like, I don't know, an hour because of the rain, and we're hopping back into it, but we were just sitting there, just cold, getting rained on, so I gotta warm up. Whew. Oh shit.
Twins. Ready?
Yeah. Send it?
So Coyote?
Yeah, go right. Shit. Nice. So now we're hitting Coyote Creek. Oh, shit, too hard on that. I remember last time this one was very bermy. See how it is now? Probably still bermy. Oh, brakes are warm. Nice. The dirt is amazing. Especially right now that it's kind of raining a little bit. Oh, so much grip. Nice. Last time we rode this section was so loose, but now it's great. Amazing. This way. Oh, good save. Get it. like that section. It's fun. Trying to push it as hard as I can. I was trying to crank on that thing.
That's so fun.
Ready? Ready? Pin it. Full tilt. Oh shit. Damn. Sick food. Oh shit. This way. Bluephoria. Good job, man.
I feel like I got a whole nother light of energy.
Good job. I was trying to talk the whole time, but I was so tired. What a day. That was good, huh? Heck yeah. Let me see Willie all the way. Yeah, like it's just staying at that balance point is so hard like that. Oh fuck. It's a scary feeling, man, when you go too far back. Maybe because I'm clipped in. Probably. Let me see. I think as I'm clipped in, I just feel like I can't move. Whew. What a successful day. That was fun. Started off all what, like thunderstorms and stuff. And now it's chill. It's Gucci. Good job. This way? Got it.